Our foundation degree, Nursing Associate course, is delivered at our Cavendish campus. It is fully approved and regulated by the Nursing and Midwifery Council. It provides a strong starting point for a rewarding career in health or social care. From day one, you'll develop hands-on practical skills, gain a strong understanding of anatomy and physiology, and build the clinical knowledge you need to deliver person-centred care to individuals across the life course. The programme will equip you with the skills and knowledge to work across systems and thrive in modern health or social care practice. In our state-of-the-art simulation suite, you will step into realistic scenarios and practice your skills in a safe, supportive environment through inquiry-based learning and interactive tutorials, including unfolding scenarios co-developed with experts by experience. You'll also gain hands-on experience in placements in community and social care settings as well as hospital settings, working with our practice learning partners across London and the South East. During the course, there will also be shared learning opportunities with students on other courses. We keep your learning interactive and engaging by combining teaching approaches and assessments that bring the subject to life. Throughout the course, you will develop person-centred, compassionate practice while strengthening your digital skills, resilience and well-being. You will also gain a solid understanding of the legal and ethical principles that underpin healthcare today. As both a student and graduate of the programme, you can expect to receive support every step of the way, including access to Zone 29, the university's home of careers and enterprise. You can access this service to help gain guidance, mentorship and resources to shape your future. Graduates can go on to work in a wide range of settings, from social care and community to hospitals and primary care services. Join the University of Westminster and become part of a diverse and supportive community where you'll build the skills, confidence and compassion to truly make a difference.